Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to withdraw money from Honeygain. So first, log into your Honeygain dashboard and click Request Payout. Ensure that you have reached a minimum payout of 20 USD. Then, choose Payout option. But for me, I will choose for PayPal as your withdrawal option. At this point of the Honeygain payout request, it does not matter if you have an existing PayPal account or not. Now, confirm the amount to withdraw by clicking Request Payout. And then, register at the TPLT website. You will receive an email from Honeygain and provide your PayPal email account to the TPLT website, their payout provider. Now, fill in your information on the TPLT website and provide your PayPal email address. And then, wait for the email to inform payout is on the way. During this 1 to 2 days wait, you will receive an email from Honeygain telling you that the withdrawal process is on the way. You will receive an email from Honeygain that the transaction to your PayPal account is successful. And log into your PayPal account to confirm your Honeygain amount payout. And that's it. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.